Homie's winking at you. Hello, I'm your college cook. Lately on TikTok, I've been seeing a lot of Mulan edits, mostly for a girl we're fighting for. Seeing all these edits made me think of that one bowl that Mushu made from Mulan. To be so honest with you guys, I used to think it was just a bowl of rice, like just plain rice. But now I know it's congee. I'm honestly very excited to do this, so let's just get to it. First, we're gonna need 1 cup of jasmine rice and wash it out until the water runs clear. Once that is done, we will need a large pot and 8 cups of water. Yeah, 8 cups of water. No mames. This recipe is an 8-to-1 ratio. 8 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. I'm actually following somebody else's recipe, and I'm not questioning it. We will now get the water to boil. You know, I used to have a crush on Mulan. Yeah. I also had a crush on... Oh, water's boiling, never mind. Place down your rice and wait for it to boil again. Stir lightly now, but not too much. Apparently, if you stir too much right now, it'll cause the rice to stick to the bottom of the pot when this is all done. This is going to be the only time we're going to actually be stirring the rice. Once it begins to boil again, partially close it with a lid and cook the rice at medium temperature for 25 minutes. You know, I was so close to making this with microwave oatmeal, but I'm really glad I looked into it and how to actually make this. Because turns out you can also make this with old rice you already have cooked in your fridge or something. And stuff like that, you know, things that saves old food from being wasted are my favorite things. Okay, timer's done. Next, I'm supposed to whisk it for 2 minutes. You know, there's a joke in here, but it's a little whiskey to make it right now. I make it a habit to not use my roommate's utensils when I cook stuff, and especially for these videos. But since this is something that I've never made before, I want to make it as correctly as I possibly can. After you're done whisking it, it's time for a seasoning. I'm going to be adding salt and some chicken bouillon. Now, some people don't add any seasoning, and some people do. This is a base for other foods, and you can control if you want seasoning on it itself. I'll be sure to link all the videos I watched, learning how to make this, because I watched more than one video. This looks like the one from the videos, so I'm actually really happy right now. I was told to get thicker later on too, kind of like a porridge consistency. But I've never had porridge before, so I'm gonna compare that to congee from now on. Well, time for the toppings now. Just slide the bad boy over here and get a pan. Keep the heat running and place down a slice of bacon. Now, the curved smile is something that I've heard people were complaining about, and how there's been some issues making the smiley face. But I think I did well. I think I did alright. Once the bacon is done, we quickly add the eggs, cooking it in the bacon grease. Now I'm making these sunny side up, even though I said in the previous video I don't really like the super runny eggs. But for authenticity reasons, I'll do it. From what I've heard, this is actually something that people don't add to their congee. You typically add pork floss, chicken, century egg, more hefty foods. I'm pretty sure people add it now, you know, because Mulan did it, but I don't know. Homie's winking at you. Well, time to finally try it. Oh, you know what? This is pretty good. It's so soft. Let me try just a congee. Okay. It's hot. I like the feeling of it. I can see why this is like a go-to meal when people are sick now. I like it. I hope this video helped you out. We're making more foods now. This is definitely going to be on my list of things to make for other people too. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.